This is the roof/heli-pad elevator right next to the Dave Admission Surgery Intensive Care Unit elevator, just showing through the MT that modernized or replaced a Westinghouse UPMC Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This one was originally a Dover TIII with impulse, but Otis just modded it, unfortunately. I think they just finished this like probably less than a month ago. It's all shiny and bright ground. Be sure to go down. There, ground. And ground will some construction down here. I'm assuming these floors are still locked, so I'm going to 6. Still no pieces. I think only code blue activates those floors here to go up, or like some sort of remote system. So 3 blank buttons at the bottom, which is kind of weird. Now I'll link to what this used to look like. There's a Traflomatic 3 that had impulse buttons here at 6. A little bit of tree door there. Back down to 1. Yeah, I don't know what these buttons are about. Yeah, so it was a Dover door trying to get Dover door there. The inside was on there. It's a full mod. It's a basic stainless steel Otis elevator. There's 3 fluorescent lights, but they're not entirely centered because of the fan. Like those 2 are close, but then that one's a little further flickering on the camera, not in person. Here back at 1. And I saw they were modding a traction elevator, 1 traction elevator from the 90s. Here I was pretty certain it was this one, and obviously I'm right, because it said car 28 as well. That closes, and that's going to be it.